know what? The bad thing of staying too long in one place, especially in Ho Chi Minh or Hanoi, is that you are going to get too comfortable to leave. Especially, the more longer you stay, the more harder you leave. That is why I am still in Ho Chi Minh. I've been traveling in Ho Chi Minh for almost 20 days already, and I've gone nowhere. What? I mean, I have to do my remote work as well, so most of the time I just like walked around Ho Chi Minh City and went to several coffee shops here. Actually, I should do a coffee shop review. It's raining. Okay. Totally raining right now, but yeah, I really want to get this line done. Anyway, the point is, when you stay in one country or one city or one place too long, you will feel like this is your new home. You can live here actually in that street. Like you kind of walk past so many times, you build relationships, you knew more people. Then you feel like, then I feel like, not you feel like, feel like I'm branded. I actually can live here. If you have a short trip to Ho Chi Minh, that is great. Maybe like 3 to 5 days. It's perfect. You can cover pretty much of places where usually traveler will go to visit. Could be like museum in the city or Cu Chi Tunnel or Mekong Delta. Cu Chi Tunnel could be like half day or 1 day trip. Mekong Delta, I would like to stay longer than normal. So, but usually like people just stay there for 2 days, 1 night. And then you can back to Bui Viet Street, which I just made a video. Let's go check later. Of walking around after 3 main major places, and if you still have time, you can also do some food trip, eat as much as you can, like go to several restaurants, because I think like Vietnamese foods are unique and you should try that. Some of people might say Vietnamese foods are tasteless, but I like it. And yeah, also you can like do kind of coffee shop trip, because like in Ho Chi Minh they have a lot of pretty awesome coffee shops. Just walk around, hopping around coffee shop to another coffee shop, just at least try like Vietnamese coffee. They spend a lot of effort on like decorate their shop. Pretty awesome, pretty awesome. And the good thing of Vietnam is almost every places they provide you a pretty stable internet connection and also power outlet. Basically you can stay there for like as long as you want. But I'm not joking. In case if you have an unlimited time to spend in Ho Chi Minh City, you gotta be very careful about your plan, or else you're gonna end up spending time too much in Ho Chi Minh City, just like me. Because believe it or not, Ho Chi Minh City is pretty interesting. Like, if I remember correctly, they have 19 districts or something, and every district is kind of unique in their own style. Like I'm living in District 1, which basically it's just like the most developed district in the country, in the city. In another districts as well, it's kind of pretty much unique, and they have kind of their own signature on that specific district. Like District 5, I think it's kind of good at food. Like you can get a lot of interesting foods from District 5, and most of foreigners are living in District 2 or something like that, so it's kind of pretty interesting. So here's my advice: if you still want to go travel all around the world, don't stay too long in this city, because here is pretty interesting and there are a lot of things to do. Well, I think I'm gonna be in Ho Chi Minh for a couple more days and Vietnam for a couple more weeks. So let me know in the comment below if you want to know anything more about Vietnam or Ho Chi Minh. If you see my red hair somewhere, make sure to say hi. And yeah, peace!